How to sign up or log in on Dropbox. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can sign up or log in on Dropbox. Well, first things first, you can proceed to install Dropbox and open it up. Then you'll get the option to continue with Google or Apple, or you can enter in your email manually. I'll just choose continue with Google here and proceed to choose my Google account. And this way, I'll have easier access and simply tap on continue. Once you tap on continue here, your accounts will be created and you should be signed in real quick. Tap on agree and sign up next and you can see the account has been created. So it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is choose your particular Google or Apple account to log in. And as you can see, I'm already logged in here. So you can choose what you will use this for. I'll choose work, only me, and you can cross this here. Total best. And I can skip this. If you want to set up, you can set it up here. I'm just skipping it so that I can show you that the account has been created. So this is how you can create Dropbox account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.